Today we're going to take a look at the Delta Create system, where you can create postcards, e-cards, and social media posts and flyers inside of the system. So when you come into the system, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to begin to type Create. And you can choose from the tile or the navigation item here, or you can go to Marketing and go to Delta Create. From here within the system, you have a lot of different options to work with. You can choose the different types of templates available. We have flyers of various sizes, postcards of various sizes, door hangers, e-cards, and many different kinds of social media posts. So let's look for a Facebook post. You can see here a bunch of different options that we have in the system to utilize. So if it's New Year's and you want to post a Facebook New Year's post, you can utilize this one. If you have a new listing that you want to market, you can utilize this one right here. So let's take a look at it. Here within the system, you can click on the different elements to see what might be editable. So for example, here, if I need to edit my name, it looks like I can type and change my name. I can also change the font size, the alignment, whether it's bold, italic, or underlined, and I can choose to make it all uppercase or all lowercase, or I can change the color. I can also undo or redo my edits. And if I click on any field that has any listing information, I can then choose from my listings here on the side, or I can search for a listing within the company. So for here, we're going to pull in the information from this test listing. And we see we now have my image with the information that's attached to that test listing. You can also change the agent information if you need to by clicking any item that has agent information inside of it. So the agent image here or the name, you can click, and then you can choose to change it to one of the other agents that may be on the list. You can also use the Pages tool to see the different pages that might be a part of this. For this one, it's just a Facebook post, so there's only the one page, but if this is a flyer, you can see the front or the back, as well as with a postcard as well. Once this is ready to utilize, you can go to the Share button and you can save a copy of this template. And once that's been saved, you can then utilize this template by sharing on Facebook, sending a preview to email, share to X, LinkedIn, email it. You can create a code snippet of this template, or you can send it out through AdWizard. You can also use the download button to download a PDF of this template, or you can use the 3 dots to save additional copies of it as well. Going back to the Create interface here, we can also see that there's a Favorites button. So for any of the templates that you like and you want to utilize often, you can save it as a favorite and it will then be saved under the Favorites tab. For anything that you've saved as you've been making edits, those will go under the My Designs tab. And the rest of the categories here give you a nice way to filter through the options. So if you want something that's to send out for your customers, maybe it's a birthday or something that's relationship based, you can utilize this one. If it's a holiday that you're looking for, there's a tab for that. And if you're looking for anything listing related, there's a handy section for that as well. You can also use the search bar to find anything that might be open house related. And you can search through the e-cards, the flyers, the postcards that have to do with open houses that way. Then you can use the 3 dots to look at a history of things that you've sent out, or to change the settings. Under Settings, you can choose a different default logo or change the color template if needed. The Delta Create system is a fantastic tool to send great content out to your customers or to your social media platforms. Have fun creating!